Hungry Cat Station.
Lately at Hungry Cat Station, we have many kitten visitors. They are infamous trios, also known as Sleepy Cat's kittens. She is the dominant cat here. Sleepy Cat is mean, but she can be very sweet. Not like Socks the villain cat. But Orange Kitten can be a mean one. We hope that this Orange Kitten to be a friendly cat. Lately, Hungry Cat Station looks like this. Looks like Kitten Kindergarten. It looks very peaceful, until Villain Cat comes here. This is Socks Jr. and Socks the Villain Cat.
Back off, little piece of furball.
If you want to know about Socks the Villain Cat, please check Even Evil Cat Loves Her Kittens. We are thinking that most of cats here could have Socks PTSD.
Oh my god, somebody help me.
This is Tail, and so far she is our favorite cat. And also we love her kittens. Socks Jr. is here, which means Socks the Villain Cat can be here anytime soon. Before that happened, Tail's family could have some happy time. We do understand that Socks' behavior might be the right one for stray cat life. And Tail needs to be strong. We know she is trying very hard. Tail deeply cares for her kittens despite her fear of Socks. Tail trembles at Socks' presence, but bravely stays to protect and nurture her kittens, showing immense love and courage in the face of fear. We all know it is almost impossible to overcome the fear we have, but we all try. And Tail is also trying very hard.
Smells like garbage bin.
Excuse me, I need to get to... Oh my! Wow! Oh my god, they are everywhere now.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you in next episode.
Hungry Cat Station.